Welcome to Guarda Wallet versus Polkadot-JS Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into the features, strengths, and target audiences of Guarda Wallet and Polkadot-JS Wallet to help you decide which one suits your needs. Guarda Wallet is a multi-currency, non-custodial wallet that provides a user-friendly experience for managing a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Available on mobile, desktop, and web, Guarda allows users to have full control over their private keys, offering a secure and decentralized way to store and manage assets. It also features integrated exchange services, staking, and hardware wallet compatibility, making it a versatile option for users looking to manage various digital assets in one place. Guarda is ideal for beginners and experienced users who need a simple yet feature-packed solution for managing multiple cryptocurrencies. Polkadot.js Wallet, on the other hand, is specifically built for the Polkadot network and its parachains. It's a browser-based wallet that allows users to interact with Polkadot's ecosystem, manage DOT tokens, and participate in staking and governance. While Polkadot.js is highly secure and tailored to Polkadot's ecosystem, it is less beginner-friendly compared to Guarda. The wallet is best suited for those who are deeply involved in the Polkadot network and want to manage their DOT assets, participate in governance, and stake tokens. It's a powerful wallet for advanced users who understand the complexities of Polkadot and its parachains. In conclusion, Guarda Wallet is the better option for most users due to its multi-currency support, ease of use, and wide range of features. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile wallet that can manage various crypto assets. However, if you are an advanced user who is heavily invested in the Polkadot ecosystem and want to participate in its governance and staking, Polkadot.js Wallet is the better choice. Both wallets have their strengths, but your decision ultimately depends on your specific needs. Check the links in the description to explore both wallets in more detail.